guys, this Facts on Facts on As3m TV. Do like, share, and subscribe.
Guys, today our spotlight is on the New Patriotic Party, and today being the International Youth Day, the youth organizers of the New Patriotic Party, over 490 of them, came together to contribute to pick a nomination form for Dr. Bawumia. Guys, this costs like 100,000 Ghana cedi. If this is not love, what is it? I am shocked about the fact that about 500 youth organizers, and out of the 500, 490, including the deputies, came together to pick a nomination form over 100,000 Ghana cedi for Dr. Bawumia. This is a clear endorsement and nothing else. My goodness. Guys, the rate at which the people are endorsing Dr. Bawumia is a clear indication that the NPP prefers Dr. Bawumia over any candidate. As I sit here, I have been combing through and surfing through all the internet, and I have come to the realization that most of the discerning youth of the party love Dr. Bawumia. Right about now, the form has been picked, and it looks like the overwhelming majority of the base of the party, or the majority of the party youth, prefers Dr. Bawumia because of his calm demeanor, his stance for unity, and he's so humble. Guys, you don't need to be a member of New Patriotic Party to appreciate how humble this man is. Look at the love he showed. Look at his statesmanship he showed at the burial ceremony of the 8 deceased members of parliament. 8 deceased officials. Guys, this is really an interesting story, and I'll keep my eye on it and definitely update you on that. This Fact of Facts, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Guys, the man is loved, and let's see how he will bring out his ideas, how he's going to implement all of this to make sure Ghana moves to the next.
52 came to me and requested, the leadership came and requested that they wanted to put their widows' minds together and pick my forms for me. I agreed, because that was a remarkable vote of confidence in me. And this morning, they have fulfilled that promise they made, and they have picked the forms from the headquarters and have delivered the forms to me today. The youth are a major asset for our party. They represent the future, and they are asset not only for the party but for the nation. And I want to thank them for this major vote of confidence. I want to say that I am minded to contest for the flag bearership of the I will make a full declaration in that regard when I go on to submit the forms that you have handed over to me this morning. But let us say that I want this flag bearership election to be conducted with decorum. We are not in a campaign of insults, and we should not be in a campaign of insults. It should be about ideas, and that is what will capture the imagination of Ghanaians. What ideas do we have? What are we bringing to the table? How are we going to solve problems that Ghanaians face? As a party, I admonish everybody, all the aspirants and our supporters, that let us focus on marketing or selling our respective candidates. When we bring down other people, we are bringing down the NPP. Our messages will be taken by our opponents and used against us. I will not, and you will never hear me insulting any candidate. And so, because when this election is over, we have to contest a general election. And if we divide ourselves today, we will have a difficulty in uniting for a general election tomorrow. So let us begin the process with unity and end with unity, because that will bring victory in
So the youth organizers submitted the form to Dr. Bawumia today. And after listening to him, you can see that he thinks about unity for the party. And just as he stated, you will never catch him insulting another candidate throughout this internal primary. And for him, the biggest enemy for the New Patriotic Party is certainly not the members who are contesting with him, but rather the opposition party. So for him, he will keep the campaign cute. People have been expressing their views after Dr. Bawumia received the nomination form from the youth organizers across the country. Now, the youth organizers argue that they are the grassroots of the party. They are the people who engages with. There's some feeling about this whole thing. The youth organizers are the people who engage with the polling station executives. And by extension, they are the grassroots of the party. Now, some people have been reacting. And let me run you through some of the reactions that caught my attention today. Guys, this is from Kwesi Botre Jr. Apparently, he's an aide to Dr. Bawumia. And this is what he has to say. Dr. Bawumia is the most prepared, formidable, and winnable candidate for NPP in 2028. He is known across the rank and file of the nation. I agree, because you do not have to spend a lot of money to go and mount new billboards, new t-shirts, new paraphernalias and all of that, because he has already been sold. So now all that they have to do is to rebrand and probably go back there to communicate and sell Dr. Bawumia. Guys, a lot of people have been reacting. Now, my point of view on this whole thing is that if you are going into a flag bearership race, I think that internally the New Patriotic Party should be united. And this is the message Dr. Bawumia has been preaching to his people. And I just hope the camp of Kennedy Akompreko Japan will make such a bold statement, because whether Team Bawumia wins or Kennedy wins, everybody needs to work together. And right about now, I think that unity is one major component the New Patriotic Party needs going forward into election 2028. Now, the General Secretary of the party appears to be, happened to be at the party headquarters when the youth organizers of the party went to pick their nomination forms. And he said, and I quote, he is not here because he wants to join them to pick the form for Dr. Bawumia. However, it is just a mere coincidence. And the same thing happened when Kennedy Akompreko Japan group came to pick the nomination forms. So he's just there by accident. That is just the point of information Justin Fonkodria gave to the media. And just like I'm here, I just want you to know, this is exactly what is happening. About 490 youth organizers of the New Patriotic Party came together to pick nomination forms for him. 100,000 Ghana cedi. It's no joke. It's no joke. It takes a lot of commitment and responsibility that has been placed on the shoulder of Dr. Bawumia. See you in my next video. Gracias. And let me know what you think about this whole thing.